New song every week? Then subscribe now.
Hi, welcome to Video Gyan. My name is Alok Chakravarti, and we are here to talk about something which is going to be very useful to you in your accomplishment of goals that you have in your life. Okay, and we call it success principles. Okay, so today is an introductory video to this, and we'll have a series of videos which we'll walk through. Okay, now my first question to you is this: would you like to be successful? Now, some of you are asking, what a question, because that's a universal desire, I'm sure. Now, let me ask a second question. Are you already successful? Now, some of you are not sure, I'm sure, and some of you are wondering, am I? And you might be thinking that, yes, I may be successful, but on a future date, if I accomplish so and so things. But you see, success is your definition of success. Some time back, writing one exam and clearing it was something success for you. Then clearing an interview, and then a marriage, and then having a certain bank balance. So your definition of success is ever changing. So let's talk about the success definition in that case. What can we agree on? I read somewhere that success is a progressive realization of a worthwhile dream. So if you notice the definition, it's very clear that you never arrive. Success has a start point, but it has no end point. And the day you stop succeeding, you stop breathing, really. Okay. So let me just introduce you to this process. And the beauty of this process is that if you apply it, it's simple, number one. Number two, it's universal. You can apply it whether it's starting a new company, whether it's clearing an IAS exam, or whatever you want. Okay. In fact, it can also hold true for if some of you are getting married or whatever. So that's the beauty of it. So first thing, you need to dream big. Okay. Nothing significant happens without dreaming big. Then you need to put a goal. Now, what's the difference between dream and goal? Dream plus date is a goal. Okay, and you need to put a plan around that goal, and you need to believe that plan. And next thing is you need to work the plan. That means put action. Now, many of us think that if we put action, we'll get results. Actually, it's not correct. It's 50% right. Repeated actions give you results. Okay, so while you are putting actions in your initial stage, you should learn how to handle failures. Okay, and as you persist, you get to your destination, because the last part is going to be given. Okay, the beauty of this is that anything significant, if you ever want to follow, whether it's just again starting a company, clearing IIT, whatever, this is the process that one has to follow through. So thanks, and in the next video we'll talk about dreaming big.